very relevant question that you have put up, that people, even after this, in this new age millennium, that why still people think of going to a therapist or a psychologist a taboo, or they attach a stigma to it, you know. So I think it is because as we are not, as a society, there is no actual awareness about the facts of mental fitness. You know, still they have mental, you can say, blocks about this area. What do you think, Vijay?
Yeah, what you're talking is right, Seema. So it was like, you know, in olden days it was ki pagal ho gaya. Now though, actually, if you go to see, as per our psychologist term, there is nothing as pagal.
Yeah,
There is nothing as mad at all.
Yes.
Right? There are just different levels of, you can say, emotional well-being being disrupted.
And thought processes, how you're actually processing your thoughts, different levels of that.
Yeah, exactly. So if you were to see, now tell me, if your child, you know, is throwing a lot of tantrums, okay, you need some help. Would you say your child is mad?
Of course not. I would definitely find a solution, seek a counselor's help if I am unable to.
Yeah, exactly. See, now in today's day, parents are working. They find difficult to balance. They're not able to put all their energies into how to bring a child up. So yes, going to a therapist will guide them, will just show them the road.
And the thing is that people still think that if you have very grave issue, then only you should consult a therapist, you know. But they have this wrong belief. Even something as positive as getting married or having a child or getting into a new job, you know, that can create a lot of disturbance, or you get overwhelmed thinking about how to adjust with the new situation, and at that particular time you are unable to cope up with that.
Yeah, exactly. So I did have one client.
Yeah.
On the same lines, she was shifting to US. So it was a very big thing, you know. At the age of 50, she's like, how am I going to manage this shift? It's a huge load. So she had come for assistance.
Yes.
Tell me, what are the tools and techniques which I could use?
That's what people don't understand, that we need to create awareness about, that we provide you with the tools and technique to lead a very balanced and very happy life. See, ultimately everybody wants to lead a happy life. So it is, if you have the tools and you know how to react or respond, rather I would say, in a situation, you would be very happy leading any kind of, you know, crossing any kind of hurdle you may come across.
Also, I feel that mental health is given very little importance in our country, especially.
Yes.
So, if you are talking about the moment you have any physical illness, like it's being over exaggerated, whereas mental health, nobody takes it seriously.